Go, 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 go. Okay, so I've got LELAND, I think that's his name, to a level 3. Pretty much. I had a look at the skill tree, and I've upgraded a lot of his stuff. And I also had one of the perks, so I can see all the exits. They're all highlighted. Oh, fuck me. Shit in hell already. I think that was me. I think that was my bad. Okay. Give me. Oh, fuck you now. Jeez, I'm getting a bit too quick. Fuck, I'm gonna try and use just one.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, fuck's sake, you twat! I can't move. I can't move! Why aren't you moving?! Oh my god! He was camping there like a little swine, wasn't he? I felt like I saw Johnny. Was that Johnny? I feel like I saw him in the corner of my eye when I got up them stairs, and I just refused to believe it. Oh, god damn it, man. Okay, we go again. We go again.
Native of Holland, Texas.
Yes! Thank the Lord you're alive!
Let's go, 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 go.
Stick with me.
Stay calm, Mana. You can do this.
Okay, lockpick. Where art thou? Oh, from a valve. Fuck, I don't believe this shit. Not good.
You can do this. Think.
Why did I turn that on? Okay, now I'm a bit lost. Oh, it's done it again. Right, I've lost my concentration now. Oh, is that a box? Oh my goodness. Come on, recover. I can hear footsteps. Oh my goodness. He's still there. He's a bit angry. I'm not moving. I refuse. Oh, that's what he's doing. Oh my god, get away! I'm not moving a muscle. Go. Oh my god, how the hell did I get away with that? Okay, what do I do from here? I made it out. Now what? Oh, he's there. Right, I walked straight into him. Oh, shit in hell. Good grief, man. Okay, I can get out of the basement now, I guess. That's one good thing now, I guess. It's just knowing what to do when I'm out of the basement now. Oh, that ended in a flash. Christ alive. Go, go, go. Go on, Leland. Let's go, brother.
What? Where am I?
You're in the basement, love.
This looks promising.
No, it doesn't. Actually.
This might lead to the others.
Hmm.
Funny you're here.
Ooh, door. Person. People. Oh, good grief. Hurry up. Oh dear. Oh my, just, oh.
I know what this is. It might work on those doors.
Yes. Oh gosh. Come on.
All right. Yes, I can use that.
Hmm. Oh my gosh, she's done much of the work for me. Nice. Please don't tell me someone's put a trap here, that'd be really annoying. Okay, daytime. That's actually not good, is it? Oh gosh. I don't know what. Oh, hiya. Oh my god, you made it out. You beast. Shit. Get in. Get in. Get in. Oh my god.
Where is everybody? Oh, this is awful.
Okay, there's a well there. But he's very near. That gate, I need a pick. I really need a pick. Okay, so you need... Okay, you can't use the same pick more than once. So I used that pick to unlock the door at the basement and now it's gone. I just have that bone thing. Oh shit. Okay, he's gone over there. I could hear his chainsaw revving. Okay, it's more over that side.
What the hell is wrong with these people?
Ha! Get beached. Ah, I fucked it. Oh, I am fucked. Come on, Leland. Get down this fucking well. Just make it to the well. Just make it to the well. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Yes! Oh my days. Oh. Thing is, I don't really want to be down here. I really don't want to be down here because I'm just back to square one now.
Gotta get out of here.
Go ahead, stay still. Stay very still. Okay. That's good. Still. Is there any way around here? Okay, health. Okay, tool, that's what I need. Okay, that was too close. Okay, I need to be patient. I'm hoping you can't hear this. Come on.
This'll work.
Okay. Composure. Okay, there's Johnny. The bastard. Right, I assume Grandpa's gonna be fed now. Yeah, I need to keep still. That's what I was waiting for. Okay, I'm a last victim. Shit. Fuck, okay, so that was the valve. I don't need a valve. That's downstairs. I got the lockpick, so I need to go to the side gate where I was earlier. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Shit.
How do we get out of here? Think. Okay. Now.
Oh my god. Yes! Come on! Oh my god. Holy sugar, spice and rice and all things are nice. Oh. I can't believe I done it. Get the fuck in, boys. Come on. LELAND, the absolute GOAT. The last victim as well. Whew. Oh, that was shitting terrifying. Holy god. Come on! Alright, I am ending the video there. I'm probably not going to edit much from that clip because I think I did quite well strategically. Oh fuck, I can't say the word. I did well, alright. Fuck's sake, that's really annoying I couldn't say the word I wanted to say. Right. Holy Christ, that was... Oh, when I had the... I'm so glad I picked up that lockpick. Oh my god. Get in. Well, I've done a lot, yeah, because I know now when Grandpa is alerted, you got to keep still. That's why I was the outline of my character was yellow. They can see me. And when I saw Johnny, whoever's controlling Johnny feeding Grandpa, I just stood still because I knew that if I was going to carry on running, I was going to be highlighted. But, oh, brilliant. I'm chuffed with that. Really chuffed with that. I was going to do family. I was going to use Sissy today, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, so well chuffed. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Of course, let me know with any tips, tricks, whatever with this game, because obviously I say this every bloody video, it's like a broken record, but it takes a lot to learn, and you know, it's a bit by bit, a long progress, but yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Ta.